limits of a property. In the case of Bandikodegehalli SCON Design India Pvt Ltd in Bangalore, a boundary survey was conducted to accurately determine the boundaries of their property. This survey was crucial for the company as it allowed them to have a clear understanding of the land they owned, ensuring that any future development plans would be within their property limits. The boundary survey in Bandikodegehalli involved a team of experienced surveyors who used advanced equipment and techniques to determine the exact boundaries of the property. This included measuring distances, angles, and elevations to establish the legal boundaries of the land. The surveyors also researched historical records and documents to gather additional information about the property's boundaries. The main objective of the boundary survey was to create a legal description of the property, including accurate measurements and markers. These markers are typically physical objects, such as stakes or monuments, that are placed at the corners or along the boundaries of the property. They serve as permanent references for future use and ensure that there is no dispute regarding the property's boundaries. During the boundary survey in Bandikodegehalli, the surveyors also identified any encroachments or discrepancies in the property boundaries. This is important to prevent any potential legal issues or conflicts with neighboring properties. If any encroachments were found, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd could take appropriate actions to rectify the situation, such as negotiating with neighboring landowners or seeking legal remedies. Additionally, the boundary survey provided SCON Design India Pvt Ltd with valuable information about the topography and features of their property. This included identifying any natural or man-made features that could impact future development plans, such as rivers, roads, or existing structures. By having a comprehensive understanding of their property's boundaries and characteristics, the company could make informed decisions about its development and maximize its potential. Overall, the boundary survey in Bandikodegehalli was a crucial step for SCON Design India Pvt Ltd to ensure that their property boundaries were accurately defined and legally documented. By conducting this survey, they were able to avoid potential disputes with neighboring properties and have a clear understanding of their land for future development plans. The survey also provided valuable information about the topography and features of the property, allowing the company to make informed decisions about its use and maximize its potential.